Learn how to use Livemote Teleport to provide visual assistance to your customers. Launch the app on your smartphone. Touch the plus button on the upper left corner. To connect with your customers, you need to sign in with your account. But if it's your first time, don't worry. You can simply sign up for free. Fill in the form with your email and password, and touch sign in. Touch the plus button again. Enter the name of the person you're going to give support. The name is just a reference for your call log. When you're done, touch generate. You have two ways to send your link. Touch the clipboard button to copy the link and paste it wherever you prefer. Or touch share button to send the link through your favorite app. Select your preferred app from the list. Or touch one of your recent contacts icon to start sharing. The message is ready to be sent, you just need to touch send button to share it with your contact. Your customers will receive a message through the app of your choice. They just need to touch the link to start the visual assistance, and press open. Livemote Teleport will launch automatically and they have to touch continue to start the call. At the same time you'll receive a notification. Just touch it to open Livemote Teleport, and tap the green button to accept the support request. As soon as the connection is established, you can see your customer's environment and talk with them. Your customers could start drawing on their video to show you the problem they have. In real time you will see their visual annotations, that sticks to the environment also if they move the camera. They can also change the brush color to indicate different problems. With Livemote Teleport you don't only see what happens, but you can also add visual annotations to your customer's environment. Just touch the drawing tool. Choose your favorite brush size and color to distinguish it from your customers. Start drawing on their environment. Add as many visual annotations as you need to help them solve their problem. Both your customer and you could save a screenshot to the camera roll, touching the middle button. You can take real-world measurements using the meter tool. Move to the first point and touch the middle button to start. Move your phone to the ending point, and click the middle button again to stop. When your customers are satisfied, they can touch the red button to stop the support session. At the end of the call you can also add a feedback and a comment for your records. Touching the button on the bottom left corner, you can access the list of your support sessions, where you can find all the details you may need to invoice to your customers.